This is the CRAFTSMAN rolling toolbox. I have this and the Versus stack. I use them for different purposes. This one, compared to the Versus stack, this is it. There's no other things that you can add to it. I use this for my sound gear, for my wires mainly. And this is solid. So you got some cables in there. And the way to open this and this is you put your foot in there and sort of lift this up right here. So I'm gonna step on that, lift this, and it slides out. So you've got a big storage here. I've got more wires and probably 6 of these Furmans, and I get my smaller stuff here. I'm going to open this up again. Just like that. And to close it, just pull. And it locks. And then the back here, you just push right there. This is made of metal. Sturdy. That's that. So I use that for my wires. I also have the Versus stack. I use that for my car detailing stuff. I like it for the car detailing because, you know, you can customize it, and I'll show you that in the next video. See you guys.